In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Telegram desktop notifications quickly and completely so you can stop pop-ups, sounds, and distractions while you're working. This is a super useful setting if you use Telegram on your computer for messaging, communities, or work chats, but you don't want constant alerts interrupting your day. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. This menu gives you access to all of Telegram's important settings. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several options for customizing your Telegram experience. Now look for Notifications and Sounds, and click on it. This is where Telegram lets you control alert behavior for messages, chats, calls, and desktop pop-ups. When the Notifications and Sounds page opens, find the option for Desktop Notifications. To fully turn off Telegram desktop notifications, simply toggle that setting off. Once it's disabled, Telegram will stop showing desktop alerts on your computer, helping you stay focused and avoid unnecessary interruptions. If you ever want notifications back later, you can return to the same menu and turn the toggle on again. And that's it. Telegram desktop notifications are now turned off. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.